This is the road that will catch Binga and Victoria Falls to become the shortest way to Binga and to Victoria Falls. Instead of going through Bulawayo, people will be coming through here. The councillor has been working very well with the Member of Parliament for Hurungwe West, Hon Temba Mliswa, to do this. This is highly recommended.
Notenda Honorable Mliswa netimu yese Hurungwe nesupport yamurutipa improvement iri kuitika yakadai. It's not all about what 25, it's about the nation, all the world. Nokuti ndocha benefit road even macrops edu taende ku Harare, and there is a national issue kufara pazviri zvinhu zvinotifadza ngazvirambe zvakadai zviende mberi. Tinokutendai vakuru. Thank you very much. In Hurungwe West ndizvo fodya kuvarimi upenyu mari kuvarimi. Thank you very much.
Here we are. You see the development.
This is the road from Karoi, Magunje, Binga. It will get to Victoria Falls as well. It becomes the shortest road to get to Victoria Falls and Binga once it's done. So good job, Honorable Mliswa. This is the real development. I pushed for this when I was in Parliament. I didn't get it to this stage, but you've now got it to this stage. It's going to finish. Good development for the tourists. As you can see, it's all work. Thank you.
Like seriously? Yes.